Hey, what is up guys? Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today you join me to take a look at a device I've just been sent. It's the Vivo Y76 5G. It's recently been brought to the market here in Mzansi, and it packs some very powerful internals. The first things to note is on the box here, it's the Y76 5G, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig ROM internal memory, and if we take a look around the box, it looks clean, it looks neat, and over on the back are some of the features. The big one to look at here is 44 watt flash charge, which is a fast charge technology, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 gigs of RAM, 4 gigs extendable RAM, as well as its ultra slim design and profile. But that we'll get onto in just a moment when we unbox it, see how slim it is, see what's offered in the box, and then spend a little bit of time taking a quick look around the Vivo Mobile Y76 5G. Upon opening the box, the first thing you're greeted with on top is an instructional card here, and of course if we get that out the way, what's also quite nice to see is you get this clear polycarbonate style case included in the packaging. Then of course we get onto the device itself. I've briefly looked at it, so it's been briefly unwrapped, but we'll get onto it in just a second. You get this lovely bluey sort of tinge, almost pearlescent shimmer on the back. Looks lovely in the hand, feels quality and premium. We'll get onto that in just a second. You also get in the box here a reasonably sizey heftable wall charge brick, which is 5 volt 2 amp 10 watt or 9 volt 2 amp at 18 watts, and a maximum of 11 volts 4 amps outputting 44 watts. So as it says here, this is Vivo's flash charge technology, and that should give some serious battery life in some fast time. Of course you get your sync charge cable here, which is your USB type C cable, as you can see over there, and you get a pair of nifty in-ear white earphones. You also get your standard SIM pin ejection tool. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box, but now let's get onto this, the Vivo Mobile Y76 5G device. Taking a look at the body of the device, it looks fantastic in the hand. You can see this gorgeous shimmering blue pearlescent finish. You can see the 50 megapixel camera over on the back, and the very clean, slimline design. It feels good in the hand. On the front, an unobstructed view with a teardrop style notch, and over on the side here you get your fingerprint sensor, your volume rocker, over at the bottom your loudspeaker as well as USB-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack, quite nice to see, and otherwise a pretty unobstructed view of a stunning looking premium feeling device. It's also, when you power it up and you've done your initial setup, that you're greeted with this, a very vibrant, bright and impressive display. It looks great, it's got a snappy fluid feel, and if we get into the overall system, you can see some of the specs here, the key specs: 2.2 GHz Dimensity 700 octa-core chipset, 8 plus 4 gigs of RAM, Android version 11, as well as 128 gigs of memory on this device I'm using at the moment. It really feels good in the hand and makes for a very premium, very colorful experience. Of course, it's also running Funtouch OS, which is Vivo's own operating system, and what I like about it is it doesn't overbog things down. It's snappy, it's lightweight, and it's got a very vanilla stock kind of experience. You get the suite of Google apps built in, of course, as well as access to Google's Play Store with, well, just about everything on offer. And overall, what you're getting here is a very intuitive, very nifty display with a lot of computing power to boot. It's a good looking device in the hand, and the display also does a great job of color reproduction and angles. Taking a look at the camera itself, you'll notice here the actual quality of it is very, very premium. You can tap to focus and brighten or darken scenes, and you can see, even using a bit of zoom in this interior lighting, something like dewdrops here on a pot plant, or just looking at the overall scene, you're getting a very neat, very vibrant camera display here. There's also a bunch of different modes available for shooting, such as the Pro mode, the 50 megapixel camera shooting mode, which takes snappy photos that come out in very high and premium resolution. And apart from this, you can also shoot slow mode, time lapse, a whole lot of nifty camera features here, AR stickers, even a dual view, which is quite nice. So that is filming here, as I'm doing at the moment, of me, and filming using a kind of director mode. You're also getting premium quality video, and if we switch it to the forward facing camera, then you can see it does a great job of that as well. Overall, what you're getting here is a premium solid device with 5G capabilities, powerful internals, ultra-fast charging, and a gorgeous looking external body which feels great in the hand. The Vivo Y76 5G is certainly a premium solid device. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.